Baby, you buggin', 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 buggin'.
Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. Yeah, I do dance challenges for you guys. So basically, this is a buggin sound. Let's call it she buggin. Yeah, she buggin. The trending song on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you have it. Dancing is involved. She buggin dancing is trending everywhere. So in case you're new here, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it to your friends and families who wants to dance. those of them interested in dancing, share it to them, guys. So first things first, this dance is a simple dance. You can literally dance this dance. Yeah, you can. Not anybody can actually dive right into the first step. So first things first, the video is mirrored. Now, my right to my left. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. First step is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are just splitting your leg both sides. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So schedule this one on the same shape. So let's just slow first to get it. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly, let's go. I get it, I tell you one more time. 5, 6, 7, let's go. So 1, 2, 3. So it's like the tip is hitting the ground first, then second, first, then second. So again, 1, back, 1, back. So it's 1. Tip on the floor, and this the tip two on the ground, something like that. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. I think that. So it's so once your tip toe is there, then once you start swinging to the other side, your tip toe will be on the floor, then your legs will be like this. So it's 1, 2, 1. That's the first step on the dance, basically. So we're doing. Maybe show me what's the question. Come on, I'm getting bugging. Once I've gotten that, next thing we do is to do the leg walk. Yeah, like I said, the leg walk. Happy feet, leg walk. And I thought this dance has gone out of dance ministry, but the dance is still active. Just basically this leg walk. Spread your hands, get into the position, and you go. So it's yeah, go to the position. Basically, so it's just you spread your hands, jump. So you jump to the right, drop your leg, drag it to the side, take it back. So it's something like that. So it's you guys have something to learn, like happy feet. I think I'll put a video up here for you to click on dance to learn your happy feet dance. So it's simply, so yeah, jump with your left leg to this side. So it's up. Let's say happen on one leg. So it's up, drop, shift. Listen, guys. Up, drop, shoot. Stand like this, you do. I think that's first thing. So let's go. Again. Let's go. So that's basically the happy feet dance. Yeah. In case I think I find this dance difficult, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, comment down below. find out that's difficult. Let's dance from the beginning. So be sure she's bugging. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Basically, guys. So I'm repeating that first step twice, but on an interval. So you are doing the first step 4 times, then you do your happy feet twice, guys. 3, 4. Then do that step again 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I've done it 4 times, the next step to do, so do your kick, go back, kick, go back. So it's kick, drop, something like this. I'm getting you guys. So it's you kick, go back, something like that. So it's kick, drop, kick, drop. So I'm doing that step basically, guys. So it's 5, 6, 7, go. Shady down, showing, saying, stretching, let's bugging. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Again, bugging 1, 2, 3. Then you do your kick drop. So it's kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop, kick, drop. So basically, I did that one 4 times. 4 times. So let's get together and start. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Try to say she's bugging. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kick, drop. Then you do the crisscross sliding dance. It's something like this. Listen, guys. So you cross and go. Open your legs once you have crossed. So you cross, you do bam, bam, something like this. So this your leg at your back, not like cross, it's not at your back. Not you start carrying up like this, So it's 5, 6, 7, let's go. Something like that. After you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, drop, touch, 1, 3, 4, something like that. Basically, guys, so in case you're not subscribed to the channel, can subscribe down below. Yeah, press on that red button you're seeing there. Click on it. Subscribe. Comment on the comment section. Which step are you think I find it difficult? Let me know in the comment section. Let's dance one more time. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Charlie says share bugging, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happy feet. 4 times, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go. Kick, drop, turn, wide. So you're winding your hand 4 times. Yeah, 4 times you're winding your hand. So it's kick, drop, open, close, open, close. Basically, if you have done enough to this extent, yeah, you are literally on the right track. You've literally gotten the dance. So let's dance one more time. Let's call it the last flip of the dance. Yeah, the last flip of the dance. Let's go, guys. Everybody that have been following me, if you've been following me, rewind this video and go to the start. And start from where I start this dance. And learn from there, then you go slowly up to the end. Once you get to the end like this, you pick up with us. Let's go. 5, everybody, let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'll be the second time. Third time is your kick, drop. So let's go start. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then drop. Turn. Kick. You open your side, yeah, you open your leg. Why? So once you get to that step, you are literally at the end of the dance. So in case you like this video and you want to go up to the end, comment your name in the comment section. If you watch the video up to the end, comment your name in the comment section, yes, that I watched to the end. Write that later. Write a full sentence, I watched to the end. So that I can notify you and tag you in my next video. Yes, I will tag you in my next video. I'll write your name. Shout out to so person in my next video. Yeah. So shout out to you guys that watch the video to the end. In case you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe. In case you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe down below, like this video and share it. Comment what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to watch the videos over here. Yeah. I think I'm a little high on energy, yes. Don't forget to watch this video over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.